SONGMICS Clothes Drying Rack Stand 4-tier, Foldable Laundry Drying Rack 67.7-inch tall, stainless steel, rolling clothes horses dryer rack, easy to assemble, indoor-outdoor use, gray. Bigzzia Clothes Drying Rack Folding Drying Rack, clothing 4-tier clothes horses rack, stainless steel laundry drying rack with 2 side wings. Gray Clothes Drying Rack Stand 4-tier, Foldable Laundry Drying Rack 67.7-inch tall, stainless steel. Rolling clothes horses dryer rack, easy to assemble, indoor-outdoor use. Large capacity 4-tier, 25.2D by 49.6W by 67.7 hairs. Drying rack features 3 top tiers, 2 rotating wings with 14 slots, and a bottom tier for shoes. It's your all-in-one solution for drying everything from socks and towels to family outfits and blankets. Sturdy and durable. This drying rack is made from heavy-duty stainless steel and thick plastic with reinforced double rods on both sides. It's sturdier than your average drying rack and boasts a longer lifespan, capable of supporting up to 77 pounds. Easy to move, easier cure. With 4 casters, our large laundry rack is a breeze to relocate. And when do you want it to stay put? The brakes on 2 of the casters ensure it does just that. Hassle-free assembly. Don't sweat the setup. Our clear instructions and labeled parts will guide you to have your clothes drying rack ready in just 10 minutes. 4-tier clothes drying area, 6 retractable trays and 2 side wings for airing towels, socks, shirts, hats, coats, suits, dresses, shoes, etc. Each clothes drying rack can be folded down to conserve space. You can dry clothes on multiple rails, and 7 hooks on 2 side wings for additional hanging drying. Premium material. The Bigzzia Clothes Drying Rack is made of high-quality stainless steel and durable plastic with strong load-bearing capacity and stability. Removable hanger. 4 casters on the clothes rails bases make you easy